Hey, if you are wondering why your Xiaomi TV Smart TV A Series is not turning on when you are using this for the first time, it's because you have to first pair this remote controller with your TV. And to do this, you have to manually turn on that TV by clicking on this small button that is here. And now take a look, we just successfully turned it on. Now after a few moments on our TV, we will get the setup screen. It looks like this with a Google logo, and after a few moments we will be able to pair our remote controller into our TV. So as you can see right now, we got this pairing information and we have to click and hold this button and this button, two buttons simultaneously, and point it over here. So take a look, hold them right now for 4 seconds and point them into this receiver. Now as you can see, we can find connecting information and we just connect successfully. So now we can release and take a look. Right now the remote controller is working properly. And this is everything for this video. Thanks for watching.